Good morning, folks. I love this story. Again, thank you from a YouTube viewer who sent me this. Strange alien glowing orbs descending over Stonehenge in rural England. Standing stones, crop circles. Oh, hang on. Honestly, my channel is not about UFOs. This story is about a fitness app.
Every athlete deserves to be safe. But that's not always possible. Jogging at the park, on the road in the city, or alone on the trail, most activities have hazards. Beacon gives you and your loved ones peace of mind while you're out. Turn it on before you start recording an activity, and your safety contacts can keep an eye on you in real time. They can be Strava athletes like your friends, or someone who doesn't use Strava but really cares about you.
Oh, I care about you because it reveals where you are, especially if you're underground. Deep under Wiltshire. Hang on. Anywhere underground is always deep. So, deep under Wiltshire is a military computer server farm. It's called the Corsham Computer Centre, and it's probably a Navy communication base. I'm sure, like every computer job, it's pretty boring. And it's going to be manned by young people who need to keep fit. Enter the app Strava, which calls itself the social network for athletes, and it allows millions of users to time and map their workouts and to post them online for friends to see. The app is especially popular with members of the armed services. The Strava app works with wearable technology, tracing its users' locations with precision and sharing the information with the rest of the world. The map clearly shows the extent of which routes are travelled and whether by foot, bicycle, or in a vehicle. Strava, which is based in San Francisco, claims tens of millions of users in almost every country. Strava has published a global heat map, showing the movements of people who have made their posts public. But an Australian security analyst has started to take note of that data and has argued that Strava's maps represent a possible security breach. The Strava map outlines known and secret military bases around the world. And probably the most problematic part is it shows lines where personnel go for a run. The Pentagon did not directly address whether the Strava heat map has revealed any sensitive location data. But Major Harris, a Pentagon spokeswoman, said the Defense Department recommends that all personnel limit their public social media profiles and that it was reviewing the situation. Recent data releases, the Strava map, emphasize the need for situational awareness. The CIA declined to comment. I'm going to leave you with some amazing footage. Security services these days must be just so peed off with what we can actually do. Here, somebody's used a drone to fly over the Wiltshire town of Corsham and over all the entrances, exits, and ventilation shafts of what obviously is a massive underground facility. I've highlighted for you some of the more interesting things it reveals. All thanks to Strava, the Fitbit app that reveals places that we're not supposed to know about. The truth is out there.